Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and I'm going to do another Deconstructed Bloom today. And here's my lineup. My starting lineup is this Liquitex Prussian blue. Then I have Modern Masters, the same bronze I've been using, the Modern Masters Antique Bronze with the Golden's Iridescent Bronze. Then I have Amsterdam's Violet, Loft Metallic Blue combined with DecoArt Sky Blue. And this is Golden's Titanium Green with DecoArt's Festival Green. And then this here is DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold with Modern Masters Gold. And then for my cell activator, I've got my black, got my handy dandy Berta right here for the blowout. And for my base, I'm switching over. Finally, I got this thick enough. My Golden Premium White Base 1 with 5% GAC. So it took me about a week of decanting this thing to get it to thicken up to the right consistency. So let me get the base down and we'll go and I'll start you up. All right. All right, so I'm back. I laid down my base, and as you can see, the Glidden, if you watch any of my other videos, look at that. Hardly any air bubbles at all. Plus, it's been sitting around open for a week. It's like, come on, really? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So, in my usual methodology with this guy, these types of things, I like to start in the middle and then work to either edge after I've blown it out. So let's just get started here. And I don't know what it was today. I got a lot of things going on because we had new carpeting put upstairs in the bedrooms, and we have new baseboards going down today, and they got delayed bringing the baseboards. So I've had these colors mixed up and I haven't tested them yet. And I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do a pour and see how it goes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm winging it. I'm not, didn't do a test tile, which is what I usually like to do just to see how these colors will interact with each other. And I had like an aqua blue in the lineup, but I just didn't think it was gonna go with these colors. So I benched it for today. But I pulled out this violet thinking that this color pattern just needed a little bit of oomph in the color. So I'm adding this guy to contrast with the blues I'm going to have. I'm going to destroy this. Probably get more air bubbles, which is wonderful. All right, what's next? My bronze is getting low. I don't know if I have enough. Bit on its side over here. All right, this color that I thought wasn't going to work, give her a shot, right? Light blue. green, which I didn't make a whole lot of paint here, so this is do or die time, folks. And that green didn't show up much before either, so we shall see. Maybe I need to change it in the lineup for the next two. And gold. Oh, gold is running out too. All right, well. All right, leave it on its side. And cell activator. Oh, that was good. Oh, that's one way to pop a bubble, right? Good Lord. Okay. I do need to pop those bubbles though. Cell activator. All right. Maybe I put too much on last time. I'm gonna back off a little bit there. All right, here we go. get this thing moving. I'm gonna go this way. I think I'm a kind of person that likes complementary colors and not across the color wheel colors. Take you that way, otherwise that's going to look really messed up, that swishy that's going on there. Maybe as this stretches out it'll look better. All right. I want to get that swoosh off this side as I get this off down here, which was my extra paint that I was just using as a filler. All right, let's bring everybody back. As I leave a gallon of paint on the floor. Yeah, I gotta get more paint off. So these are the wet results about an hour after the pour. And I will say that the blues seem to be combining really nicely, especially now that I took out the violet that I used in the first pour and substituted that out with my homemade aquamarine. And part of my problem with this is that I had to re-pour it, and I folded the base coat in on top of itself. And I know I introduced air. I had to pop a lot of white spots, but it ultimately gave me these, what I'm calling small galaxies throughout it, and they look really cool, so I'm keeping those. So I hope you enjoyed the video and are able to take something away from it. I really hope everyone has a nice holiday and Christmas coming up, and just want to say take care, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so if you'd like to. Get more videos from me. Thanks a lot, and everybody take care, please.